channel Unicorn Diaries.
I am Anju.
And I'm Granthali. So today we have come up with this video.
We are going to review Instagram store actually.
So this is an Instagram store called Cosmart Hubs. This store is handled by one of my closest friends. So there was an offer going on, that is a 99 sale, and from that we got some few products.
So we thought of reviewing those products and tell you how the service is and how the products are actually. So if this is something that interests you, so keep on watching. And without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so let's start with the packaging. So we got delivered in this random packet. We have an address written here, and as you can see, it was properly packed, and
So the parcel was received and everything was under a bubble wrap, so none of the product was damaged.
yeah, and also it came in 3 to 4 days. That was
Yeah.
quite shocking for me. Like most of the products come in a week or so. Like at least they take a week. But this product came very fast, like within 2-3 days.
Yeah, and actually we were so happy.
Yeah,
we,
happy to receive.
Yes. So while opening it, we found a cute letter and
Yeah, and also it's a handwritten note.
Yeah.
So let's read what's in it. Yeah.
you didn't choose the glam life chose you. And it's written from Cosmart.
Yeah.
Best wishes to Unicorn Diaries. May you grow more and shine. This is so cute. And ये छोटा सा नोट मतलब एक्चुअली हम लोग ने पहले नहीं पढ़ा था ना एंड उसमें लिखा था यूनिकॉर्न डायरीज एंड वी वर सो हैप्पी रीडिंग दिस. थैंक यू अपूर्वा.
Yeah, thank you so much. So guys, let's just show you what all we got. So start first. Let's start with this brush. Okay, so we got this face mask brush. Can you show it?
This is a face mask applicator actually.
Yeah.
And this is not any normal brush, मतलब वो bristles वाला brush नहीं है. It is a face mask applicator and it is
Yeah.
made up of fiber, I guess.
Yeah, this is made up of fiber.
Yeah.
And also she has tried it and made reel of it. And if you haven't checked out that, the link will be in the description box. So please do check out her reel.
Yes. And also this thing is very soft and flexible, as you can see here.
Yeah, you can mold it जैसे भी
Yeah.
आप apply करो.
Yes.
It's going to be very easy. And I think this was for very cheap.
Yeah, this was for rupees 70
only. Yeah, I think this was a great, and I think it would last you forever.
Yeah.
Like
Actually
like
what
आपकी
happens is in that normal brush, actually we had a normal face brush. So actually what happened is कि after a while we wash it daily, right? तो उसमें जो gum रहता है actually the brush started coming off. The
Yes.
hair of that brush actually started coming off. But in this case it.
So the next one we would like to talk about is mascara. This is from MN Neon Generation 2 mascara. So and this is all under or only for rupees 99.
Yes.
So this is the packaging. As you can see, ठीक है, मतलब पैकेजिंग इतना
Yeah.
aesthetic नहीं है, but ठीक है. So ये है उसके bristles. I have used it. It's a very and also it is very flexible, so it would mold according to your lashes, and also it would give a length. It doesn't give that volume to your lashes, but it curls very nicely and it lengthens your lashes. So for that, for regular use
Yeah.
and for a natural based look, it would look amazing, and I love this product too.
And what actually happens is कि हम लोग को packaging से इतना ये नहीं होता है,
हाँ,
but
हाँ.
the product should work nicely.
right.
And it was for rupees
99 only. So yeah.
Okay, so the third product is from Anastasia. This is brow definer, triangular brow pencil, something like that. And we were excited about this.
Yes. Because the Nykaa has the same one.
Yes.
And it is for like $800 or something. But this is in same packaging. So talking about the packaging, I think this is very nice and convenient
Yeah.
because
So before this actually we used to use that powdered eyeshadow ka
Yes.
black shade and take any brush and apply it all over our eyebrows. But now it's convenient, just open it and apply.
Yeah.
And also has a spoolie, so you can brush it up जिससे कुछ harsh line ना हो आपके
Yeah.
eyebrows पे.
and also we used to keep the earlier, like जो mascara खत्म हो जाता था तो we had one spoolie.
Yeah,
Wait.
yeah. You can see it.
We had kept it like to brush it off.
Yeah.
But now, as you saw, we need to find it, right?
Yes.
But now in this case, we don't need to find that search because X side pe this is the product here. I don't know if you can see, but we'll obviously
Show
put
you the close up, yeah.
and one side it has a spoolie. But I love the packaging honestly.
Yes.
But talking about how it works, we
Yeah.
won't say that it works wonders or it's a perfect brow pencil.
You can see we have applied it now also, and you can see the results. But क्या हुआ कि it doesn't have that pigment कि
yeah.
पहली बार एक दो strokes में वो लग जाए, but we had to do this
Yeah,
again because-
actually, the brow pencil should be a little light.
and also it is dark brown shade actually.
Yeah, it had two shades, a light,
Yeah.
a brown and a dark brown. We opted for dark brown because it looks natural.
Yeah.
Overall, it is nice, but only the main part is the pigmentation. But yeah, it works, but we just have to do it like
again and
again and again.
But yeah, 99 में what do you expect more?
Yeah.
It is handy and it is affordable also.
Also.
So, yeah.
Yeah, you can try it.
Okay, so moving on to the next product, that is eye lip liner. Right?
Yes.
So you can use it on your eyes as well as on your lips as well. So
You can see
yeah, you can see these lovelies, you can see the shades actually, and this is super pigmented.
Yes.
And also it is very smooth.
smooth. Yeah, this is the thing that we love from the whole
Yeah,
haul. So as you can see, we got some blues, two blue shades, one dark blue and sky blue, one golden shade, a green, a pink, which is also a little
Yeah.
neonish, and a red or a maroonish shade. All the 6 shades we got for rupees 99,
99.
and I think this was a good deal.
Yeah, so it comes in a set of 6,
Yes.
set of 6 at rupees 99, and also you can choose whichever shade you want. She has many more shades in that, but
Yeah.
we wanted these, and also we wanted a white color so
So badly,
but
because
she didn't had
had
that.
one, yeah. Also, the pigmentation, as she said, is like bomb. We love the pigmentation, and also it's so smooth, it's super smooth, and it's glide like butter. I would say that.
Actually, you can see we have applied it today also.
In a waterline. I don't know if
Yeah.
the camera is catching that, but we have applied, and it is just like 1 or 2 strokes, and
Yeah.
it's so pigmented. And also we get those normal lip liners or eyeliners from the local stores, but it's very harsh, and it's not that smooth, and also it's not that pigmented as we-
Yeah, actually I have that one. What is this? Eyeliner.
It is I think eyeliner.
Eyeliner. You bought it for 50 rupees, and it has no pigment,
Pigment.
not at all. If you
We
rub
didn't
it,
even used it once.
yeah. मतलब we tried to put it on our waterline, but so in our waterline we can't put more force,
Yes.
right? Because our eyes are so delicate कि उसको कोई pressure नहीं देना चाहिए for just rupees 50.
50. And moving on, so this is a foundation. I don't know how to pronounce it, Chimera or Camera. This is a liquid foundation. This is the foundation. Okay, so this is the only product which retails for like 160 rupees, because she had 99 rupees का
Yeah.
foundation also, but she said this is much more good and blendable. 40-60 rupees के लिए क्यों रोक दूँ? So I got this, and it comes. So talking about the packaging, it comes in a glass packaging, and also it has a pump packaging like that. That is quite exciting about this, because it's a cheap rate में that too you get a pump packaging. So yeah.
And also I liked it कि इसमें cap है, so that it is covered, मतलब the tip is covered, and the packaging is also good for 160
160
rupees.
rupees. Yeah. For the application, I would say it gives a. I think it would give a medium coverage. It's more to a liquidy side. It's not that thick like.
Yeah, light to medium coverage.
हाँ,
actually,
medium
not
coverage.
high coverage. Okay, so also we bought a lipstick, but actually she forgot to bring it
Yeah.
here. Actually, तो हम लोग मेरे घर पे शूट कर रहे, तो सब सामान लेके आने में she forgot it. But
Yes.
we will insert a pic or a clip after
By swatch
editing.
of it will
Yeah.
post it, and it's a beautiful shade, and also that was retails for 99 only, and it is a very smooth, and also I love the shade.
Yeah.
She had many shades, and she also had liquid foundations, and also she had many reds, orange, pink shades, but we got a brown nude shade in bullet lipstick, so I quite like it.
So the pigment is also nice, and the shade is also good. So it is a sort of wine color. Na?
Yeah.
It is a nice shade, and also we like some dark shades, right?
Yeah, sometimes to
Yeah.
look
Yeah, actually मतलब face पे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया,
Like
तो
that.
apply a dark lipstick and you are good to
good
go.
to go. Yes. So yeah, that was it. But
Yes, but also she said मतलब for everyone, not as such कि हम लोग
हाँ.
special है वैसे. She also has a offer that says कि if you shop for 699 or more, you would get a free gift from her side. So we received a palette, that is this Huda Beauty palette, and it has so pretty,
Pretty
shades.
shades.
See
Yeah,
the
same.
yellow, the ocean blues, and the shades of blues actually.
And also it has some shimmer shades. This one has to be my favorite, the silver shade. We haven't used a lot of it, but if you want that we should try these products on camera and do a makeup with it, so please let us know in the comment section below. We would love to do it for you all guys.
And also, I'm so excited to use
Use
this
this,
shade.
yeah, to create some smoky eyeshadow looks.
Actually,
And
we
yeah,
didn't had yellow shade from so
so
long.
long,
Now,
yeah. It looks so good in pictures and on Instagram. Everyone has that. It looks nice. So now we have it. And also talking about the packaging, it has a magnetic packaging. So I love that about this.
And it also has a purple palette,
Hmm.
but she didn't have that one, so she sent this, and also we liked it.
Yeah.
And
And yeah, the link of this Instagram store will be in the description box below, and also the WhatsApp number where you can order this. You can just screenshot any of this whichever you want, and you can just screenshot WhatsApp her and order it. The sale is still on, so don't miss this one.
yeah, and also you can follow on her Instagram page, and you can see what shades she has. She has
Yes.
put up everything on that, so do check it out. And thank you so very much Apurva for
Yes,
sending
sending
us these.
these.
And इतना अच्छा ऑफर देने के लिए हम लोग को 99 ऑफर I don't think any makeup store would give actually.
And also this so good products she
And
has
also
kept
the
in the sale.
service.
And also the service,
Yeah.
we love the service too. And yeah, I think this was all it for this video
We hope you liked it.
and find helpful. If you do like,
Share.
and subscribe to our channel
Unicorn Diaries, and also don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you will get notified every time we upload a new video.
And also guys, do check out our Instagram because we'll be posting many reels and beauty videos into it, so please do follow there.
And if you want us to do a makeup look on these makeup products, so let us know in the comment section below. We would love to do it.
Yeah. And also we post videos every
Wednesday.
and Saturday. Until then,
Stay humble
work hard
and
and
be
be kind.
kind. Bye, guys.
The link will be in the description box. So
And what it?
and that too you get a punk. Oh, that was it.